Bikes, beers,
Welcome back to Bikes, Beers, Berta. So before we get riding this year, we're doing track maintenance. So we got Hayden out in the skid steer today. He's over there somewhere.
He's off yonder. We're just picking rocks.
We're picking rocks right now. Yeah, hopefully get riding today. Hayden's kind of killing it over there. He's going pretty quick, faster than we thought. So might get a couple hits in today. But yeah, shoveling rocks for now.
It's a beautiful day. The mosquitoes are just fucking awful, but today's just too beautiful. You can't even complain.
The skid steer don't have AC. She's hotter than tits in there. It's cooking in there. See what happens. We can fix this track up, make her mint.
Still gonna get her done?
Woo. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, buddy.
I can't get it, diamonds so pearls, and I'm gonna take you traveling the world. I can love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got.
Hayden's done some good work here. He's made it nice and smooth. Widened it all out. The run-up's f***ing smooth as a baby's ass now. Before, there was like a foot wide of a spot that you could hit on the jump. And that was about it. Other than that, it was sketchy. It was all dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Now, smooth, wide, nice takeoff, nice landing. That jump, look at that thing. That thing's mint. It's gonna all look good.
Oh yeah, memento, bud. Nice sunny day, breeze to get the flies away.
Hayden's moving a lot of dirt here. He's making it look good. So this jump used to be about yay wide, same with the landing. Now it's about yay wide. This never even used to have a lip. It's a good jump now. It's gonna be big, it's gonna be a nice gap. 1, 2, 3.
I want to see how far you can go.
That's 19 meters. I think that's the biggest jump on the track now. 19, you'd say give or take 20 meters. That's big. That's pretty big. And that's a steep takeoff. So you're not only gonna go far, you're gonna go way up. It's gonna be good.
Maybe we'll make this the finish line.
Yeah,
This guy's building us f***ing 60-foot booters, expecting us to just send it.
Well, after you finish the 60th fireball, you better be ready to hit the 60-footer booter.
Who showed up? Hey, how's it going? Let's get it going.
Aiden's like a blister. He shows up when the work's done.
What's up, Rip Media? Callum Hone out here. Got my Montero here, 2002.
I don't give a f*** about your Montero. Tornado for the
Who
boy.
fixed it? I know. She's a runner, but she's a worker too.
Holy man, you're actually a fucking piston.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We tested some jumps out. Track is fucking mint. I did fucking launch off a jump and pretty much damn near kill myself. But we're still out here. We're still alive. I'm retiring for the day. Might have to retire for tomorrow. My arm's kind of in some pain. But, you know, I'll be able to get some filming in, you know? All the boys are saying it's meant to be. I'm just saying I'm hurt. Right, this guy, though. You want to tell us what happened to you?
Crushed my left nut. Probably not gonna have children. That's okay. I didn't want any anyways. But yeah, tomorrow at 26 degrees, so I'm not complaining. It's gonna be a rad day. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sunday fun day.
We finished the track. Finally.
Mint.
Finally.
I'm too tired to talk.
I'm dead.
It's good. It's really good.
It's been a long weekend.
Yeah.
Lots of beers, lots of
Putting in all the
cigarettes.
work today. Thanks for that.
Yeah, this guy was a machine on the fucking skid deck.
Yeah, agreed.